Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto update software and games on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to automatically update games so that you want to run the smoothest as possible on your PS5. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says Settings. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says System. Next, from this page here, you want to click on System Software. Next, you want to click on System Software Update and Settings, which is right over here. And then this is the really important step, guys. You want to make sure that both these buttons here are toggled on. Now, once you've done so, it is going to automatically update files, and it's also going to install update files automatically as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and auto update software and games on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.